been waiting for all season long. It's true. A trio with these three dudes standing before you. Tonight, we're going to fulfill that fantasy.
It's true.
And we're going to sing you a song. Feel free to sing along. I know you know it. Here we go.
I'd like to introduce Krill Jaya. That's enough. You are my fire,
The one desire. When I say I want it that way, tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. What? Not really doing it. Why not? I mean, look, I know, we all know that's the greatest pop song ever written. I know that. But we can never compete with that amazing performance of Lady Marmalade. I mean, how hot was that?
Who would have known that orange jelly could be so awesome? Orange jelly is marmalade, marmalade's orange
Did
jelly.
you hear all those people give you a courtesy laugh?
They thought it was pretty funny, Phil. Let's put it to the test.
Awkward moment numero uno.
You guys think of that?
So the real reason why I'm here is because American Idol Season 7 auditions have started. So I was wondering, is there anybody in the house tonight that plans on auditioning for this next season of American Idol? Alright, there's 4 of you. So, for the sake of those 4, we want to give an encouraging word, maybe some advice from some guys who have been there and done that. Chris?
Yeah, you know, you're going to come into a big arena. There'll be tables set up. You'll go up in groups of 4. When you get up to the table for the producer, make sure that you're confident, number 1, to show confidence, and make sure you pick the right song. If your name is not Phil Stacey, you should not be singing Aretha Franklin or Whitney Houston.
That's a given.
That's a given. And, you know, also make sure that you maybe sing your song for your parents and family, and if they tell you that you suck, please try out.
Please do.
We really want to see you on TV.
Yes, we do.
But also, just show some personality. And if you don't know the difference between, you know, showing personality and being crazy, again, please try out. We're looking forward to it.
I just want you all to know, from the bottom of my heart, that you just need to remember it takes a lot more than just an amazing voice. To make it on American Idol.
Oh, Phil. You've got really great hair, Phil.
What,
And
my
your
eyebrows?
Yeah.
You had to go there, didn't you?
I did. You
Thank you.
You have nice
I love
round
you too,
chest,
Mom.
too. I've seen that.
Well, I can't compete with that, folks.
You can't.
But what
No,
I can
you
do is have Chris Sly introduce this amazing next act that is going to rock your faces off.
Wait. I'd like to bring out 2 of our good friends, Chris Richardson.